Is this a joke? Hi guys, my name's Amelia, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out another slightly strange Amazon purchase. So I've bought two clip-in fringes off Amazon and I'm going to be trying them out today and letting you know what they look like. I'm laughing because if you saw my last sort of weird Amazon video, it was trying on these stick-on veneers and basically it couldn't have looked any worse. I'll put a link to that video in the description, but yeah, hopefully today's video is going to go better than that. So I picked up two different fringes from Amazon. I've got this one and then I also picked up this one, which you can't see. I'm going to try on this one first. This is more of like a thicker fringe than the other one. So this is the first one that I got. It didn't have any like box or anything, it just came in this little bag, but it was $7.99, so I don't really care what it came in. I'm gonna get this out. Okay. So this is what this looks like. It's actually really quite thick. I did think it was thick, but it's a bit thicker than I was expecting. And it feels really, really smooth. I don't know if you can see, but it's really like silky. And I know it isn't real hair, this one, but it does kind of feel a bit like real hair. And then on the back, it's just got two sort of extension clips, which will be where you just clip it onto your head. The only thing with this is it is a little bit shinier than my actual hair, so once I've put it in, I might just dry shampoo it if it needs it, if it goes in, if it works. Fingers crossed. I'm actually gonna put my hair up in like a bun because I feel like it will look better if my hair is up rather than my hair being down. Okay, hair is in a bun. It doesn't come with like instructions or anything. So I'm just gonna clip it in. I think it's fairly obvious that you just clip it to the top of your head anyway. So, moment of truth. Okay. Oh my god, I feel like Kris Jenner. I actually don't think this looks bad at all. The only thing I think is like these side bits are just way too thick and I wouldn't have a fringe that sort of went all the way down there. Like, to me, it needs to end like there because that's where my normal, if I had a fringe, it would end there. So I might just try and clip these bits back. It's kind of uneven as well, the way it's been cut, but for the price, can you complain? No. Okay guys, I actually love this. Does it look real though? I can't tell if I'm kidding myself that it looks real, but it really doesn't actually look real. Because I think it looks really real. And the good thing about having a bun with this clip-in fringe is that the bun like covers the top of like the fringe extension. I'm living out like my teenage, not even teenage, like childhood dreams of one day I want a fringe, the next day I want a bob, the next day I want really long hair. Like, this is exactly what I need. Right, in the comments tell me, does it look good or am I just kidding myself and it actually doesn't look good? I can't even feel it at all. Like, it feels really lightweight. The only thing I would say, it's kind of falling a little weird here, like on my head. Like, there's the gaps in it, but I guess, does a natural fringe have gaps? Yeah, obviously. I got this in the shade, or in the colour actually, natural black, so that's the colour I got. I think they did have like 6 different colour options. I think it would probably be quite hard to match if you're blonde though. I'm going to try this one as well with my hair down, after I've tried the other one with my hair up. I'm actually now then going to try the next fringe. So I don't even know what this one looks like, but I know that this is real human hair. It's Remy hair and it's a lot thinner than the one that I've currently got in. Got this in colour 1B natural black and this one was £9.59. So obviously it's a bit more expensive because it is human hair, but it is a lot thinner, this one. So that's what this one looks like. Yeah, and then this one just has like one extension clip. Like the top of this one is actually so much smaller than the one I've got in now. Let me just take this one out and I will show you. this new one actually has a tiny extension clip, so I think this one will definitely be less obvious that it's in your hair. But let's see what it looks like. It does look quite like narrow. Is this a joke? What? I'm so confused. Why does it look like that? Why does it look like that? The other one looked so good. This is not what it's meant to look like. Oh God, what is going on? Right, let me go get my hair straighteners. Okay, I've got the hair straighteners. We're gonna see if this is gonna help at all. I don't know why these bits are like going over my eyes. Like, is this for someone with a really small head? Oh, okay, so that did help, but this is for like, this fringe is like for the size of a Barbie's head. Like, why is it so small? Right guys, I don't understand why this one looks like this. I'm gonna have a look at what the Amazon thing says. Reviews. It's too small, it only fits a small girl's face. So I have a big girl's face then. Is that what it's saying? Maybe I do have a big face. But hats are always quite really big on me, so I always thought I did have a small face. But then again, I've got a big forehead, so maybe that's the problem. But it's not like wide, it's like tall. Anyway, I digress. If it was a bit wider, it wouldn't look that bad. The only thing is with this one as well, like the clip, you actually have to put it like really far like down your head, like far away from the bun. The good thing about the other one was that you put the clip like underneath the bun so you couldn't see it. What do you think, guys? I personally think this is obviously way too small for my head. Okay, so I've just taken my hair down and I'm gonna attempt to try that first fringe again, the one that we like. So I've had a look at the instructions and it's on Amazon and it says to partition your hair so that you've got like 2 lines there, which is where the clip will go. What I'm gonna do is just tie this and I'm just gonna clip that under here. Okay, let's go. Round 2. I don't think this looks very good. Like, I think it's this bit. It's like really sticking out, so it looks fake. I wonder if I need to do the same thing again and just get rid of like these side bits because no one's fringe goes that long. So that's made a bit of an improvement on that side. I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I do think it looks better with those bits pinned back, but I still don't think it looks very good. Like, I think it does still look kind of fake. Maybe I should unpin my hair. That looks a bit better. I think with your hair down, it just doesn't look real like at all. It looks more real with my hair like to the side, I think, but I would say this is definitely better if your hair is tied up. Yeah, even with hair in a pony, like, it just looks way better than what it looks like when the hair's down, because it's just this bit here that just doesn't blend at all. Now let's try the other one with my hair down and see if this is any better. This one doesn't look that bad when your hair's down. Like, this looks way more natural than the other one with your hair down. I guess the weird thing is like the fringe just not covering your whole forehead. I think this looks better, but I still think it looks bad. Gonna just pull like the side pieces down from my hair. This one just is not working. It's not working for me. It looks bad no matter what I do with it. So this one is not good. So the verdict is the first fringe, the cheaper one, and I'll put it below as fringe we like. That is actually really good and I would recommend buying that because I think it did look quite real and it was really thick as well, but the second fringe was obviously really thin and was not wide enough. I think I've got a normal shaped head, normal sized head. If you think that too, then I'd probably just not get that one because yeah, it was really thin and it did not cover my head. let me know in the comments what you thought, or whether you've ever tried a clip-on fringe and if you have any recommendations for one. But thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video.